Oh God, they're cute. Look at them.
Kind of getting a car wash here.
I know, look at them. Aren't they cute, John?
Here comes
I
Jackie.
love you.
Where's Jackie now?
Sitting over here. Sally's currently sitting on your back looking at me. Sally? Sally?
No.
Oh.
What is she doing?
She's like standing there, kind of smelling stuff.
Ah.
Yes, Jackie's licking Sally's ear.
Really? Oop. Sorry, I got you in the eye there, Jackie. Go, both ears. She's on my head.
There goes Jackie. What's Jackie doing? She laying on you?
Where's her head at?
On your back. Right there.
Uh-oh.
She's trying to get on your back, but it's not exactly balanced. Oh, there goes Sally. Alright. I think you might need a shower after this.
I think so. Is that Sally? Oh, they've got both ears now.
Sally's that fall off. Watch, Chip. There she goes.
Hello. Must be salty or something. Hello. Ah!
What's Jackie doing?
Maybe she's gonna start chewing.
Sally.
Yeah, Jackie sounds like a pig.
I hear it, yeah. I kind of look at them. I'll be on the ground.
Okay, now it's your turn.
I've already done it.
She started nibbling a little bit on my ear, so
Alright.